Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
McQueen's the winner! Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Watch out! No, stop!
Protect that swerve!
Well, I suddenly feel all better. What? Ah.
Right. Storm achieves his top speeds by exploiting the
Oh, pace! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
I need you to watch the prisoner tonight. Well, daggone. Wait a minute. What if he tries to run?
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
Obviously an imposter. He looks old and broken down.
Hey!
And with flabby tires.
I do not.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Race, despite what occurred today.
Race. Lightning McQueen must be killed.
And back in the race. You are way behind. Thanks, guys. You saved my tail out there. Victory! Victory!
Drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season title.
Sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night long.
I have followed the racing my entire life, my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
That changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School!
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I would. Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
¡Qué grande está!
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!